Hey guys, in this video I'll do a book bolt interior tutorial for you. Full tutorial. When you're on the home page, come and click on create right here and then just click on book bolt studio. It'll go ahead and redirect you to this page right here where you need to choose some settings, name your project, etc. So project type, I'm going to choose paperback, cover, and interior. Okay, you can go ahead and do only interior, but I'll stick with cover and interior. Now, project name, let's name it Tutorial Journal 1. Trim size, I'll keep it by, 6 by 9 inches. And interior and paper type, I will leave it at black and white. Interior with white paper. I will toggle on for bleed. And page count, I will keep it at 24. That's okay. Now I'll go ahead and create a project and let all of this load up. So, first what I will do, let me just hide this, okay? So I'll click here on this option, and then you can either scroll all this down and then or you can just click on hide cover template. Just press OK. And now what I want to show you, I'll click on page 1. Okay, we'll save the changes. That's okay. I'll click on page 1, and then what you need to do now, guys, is you need to go ahead and click on page templates. So these are the interior templates library. You can go ahead and search other things as well, but I'll do ruled. Okay, I'll do narrow ruled. There's many different variants, there's many different types. I'll first select all, and then I will deselect the cover page. Okay, now let's go continue to options. And we will use the Amazon KDP guidelines. Okay, leave these as it is. Line color, make sure you scroll all the way down. I'll do black. Okay, make sure it's 0000, then go ahead and press OK, and then click on submit. And now it is processing everything. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And if you want to spice things up even more, what you can actually do, guys, is come here and click on file, library. Right here, you can go ahead and click on, for example, Pixabay or Unsplash. I'll change this to grayscale. Okay, any category is okay with me. So let's turn on editor's choice as well. Let's do a search. Let's see what it come up with. Okay, have a bunch of options here. I really like this. Office, bank icon. Choose whatever you think will be nice for you. Maybe let's do the bird thing. Let's do the hummingbird, right? Now, this came up as an image. All you need to do, guys, is come here and click on make pattern for the selected object, and now it will make it a pattern. You can go ahead and drag it out, fill in the whole page, and this is what it will look like. Okay, if you're happy with this, you can keep it as it is, or you can use another one, right? So once you're happy, what you can do is right click here, click on clone this page, right? But let's wait for everything to load up here. So right click, clone this page, go ahead and select all. I'll deselect cover and go ahead and click on clone, and then OK. And as you can see, every single page will have this pattern added. Okay, as you can see. And what I'll do now is change the opacity to about I usually do about 10 or 9. Okay, go ahead and do that. But for this one specifically, I might have to increase it a little bit more. We'll do about, let's just do about 15. Let's see what that looks like. We'll do okay on that. Okay, that looks decent. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.